Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po si Jomer Makine, and today we'll be doing a shimming guide on a version 3 gearbox. Okay, first things first. Let's start with the sector gear. There should be at least one shim at the bottom. Make sure it's not hitting anything. If it's not spinning properly, since this is fairly new, there's no grease. Yes, I tried and tested white lithium grease. Better. Okay, it's not hitting any part. Let's then another shim the top. Close it. Let's see if there's play. Since it's too thick, I cannot push it from here, but I can see that there's play. So let's add another on the top. This is 0.1, so let's try a 0.2. Close again, hold, and squeeze. Since it doesn't spin that well, it means that the shims is too thick. So let's not use this. So let's try another 3 pieces. Close again. Hold, squeeze well. Still too thick. It's not spinning well. So let's use something more thinner. Having 0.2 and 0.2 and 0.1 millimeter shim set is quite good. Let's try the 0.1. Oops. There's no shims on the bottom. Oh, make sure also that the bearings are fully flushed. No, I mean fully inserted onto the gearbox. Okay. Close it again. Hold well. Squeeze, and then okay. It is spinning well. Let's see, there's a play. Play seems minimal. And this is the essential to make sure that they're still good. It can spin freely even if it is screwed down. Okay, good. Okay, still movement. Okay, let me try if I can add another 0.1. Down. Oh, still, it's good. Oh, wow, that's good. Okay, please very minimal. 0.1. It's not spinning well. Let's try. Oh, it's good. There's no more play. Still spin. Okay, still good. And there's no movement. It's a tough choice. Let's leave it for now. Using 3 0.1mm shim. Let's add the bevel gear. No, that's bevel gear. Let's put one in the bottom. Close it. Let's see if. Okay. Okay, meshing is okay. As you can see, it can move easily. Okay. Now, let's try. There is some. Ah, there's already a shim on top. Okay, still fine. Can still spin freely. Let's try with the screw. Check. Okay, that's good. Let's check motor. There's no more play. And proper. That's good. Perfect. Okay. The 0.1 shims are the best. Okay. Last but not least, sector gear. One shim the bottom, just to make sure it does not hit the cut-off lever. You should see from here. Okay, let's hold that. There's here. It's not scratching it. There's a little. It's a little bit. Okay, let's see. Let's some grease. Okay, that's good. Now let's try shims on the top. Oh. Lots of play. Okay, let's put something thicker. Oh, just make sure if you're opening and closing that the shims are properly on its pole, because it might stick to something and falls down and you have to redo the shim in second. Still lots of play. Another. No more play, but it's a little bit hard, so we change. Both are quite thick, so let's go with 0.2 and try again. This is example of the shims falling off. If you're quite new to this, you could write down how many shims that you have placed on each pole, so if everything falls down, you have reference. Okay, push it here, up, down. There's minimal play, and it can spin well. Okay, let's add the screws. Try again. Okay, there's very minimal play. I don't know. So this is quite tight. See, it stops. Need to remove. I added. I added 0.1 here earlier. Let's try to remove one and add it here. Nope, it's too thick. Squeeze and then there's play, so I need to put that back. Squeeze. Okay. Play, vertical play. Minimal. Make sure that it doesn't hit the cutoff lever, and it can still fully move. See? Okay, and screw it in place again. Okay, that's good, and that's it. Works. Oh, and then also don't forget, there's the anti-reverse latch. Make sure that goes with anti-reverse latch. Screw and spin. Movement. Movement. Ah, that's good. So final check. Put the screw here and make sure it can still spin properly. Okay. That's it. Hope they enjoyed the video. Thanks.